Tell me who rock, who sell out in the stores. You tell me who flop, who cop the blue drop, who jewels got pop, who mostly doji down to the blue top. The same old pimp, mace, you know ain't nothing changed but my limp. Can't stop till I see my name on the blimp. Guarantee a million sales for the level up. You don't believe in Harlem World, nigga, double up. We don't I am standing on the promises of Jesus, and I believe he will do just what he said. No more doubt and disbelief causing my faith to decrease all the more. Oh, I'll take him at his word. Take him at his word. And I'm gonna trust him. I'll trust and never doubt. And I'll never.
Hey friends, how y'all doing? Long time no see. I'm doing a video with me actually appearing in the camera. Hey, how y'all doing? How y'all been? If y'all new to this channel, this is your first time landing here, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on my next upload. So let's get right into this beautiful unit. Yes, my favorite color, purple. I have reviewed this unit on my channel before, but in a different color, and I couldn't believe that I didn't get this in purple. It might have been like sometimes if I buy a bunch of units and I have like a variety of colors, and I may have had too many purples in there, and I said I was gonna go back and get it, but somehow it slipped my mind, and then I was looking through my inventory. I say, wow, I don't have that color. So I had to cop this color. Of course, it's from our friends at Outre. Yay, my BFFs in this wig world. So friends, let's get right into it. I ain't gonna hold you long. So the unit I'm bringing to you is by Outre. Of course, I already said this is from their Color Bomb collection, and it's a premium synthetic fiber unit. And she has HD transparent lace, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. And please get into these piano highlights. I'm here for all of that. Yeah. Check it out. That's those highlights. And the style I have her in is Charleston. I have Charleston in another color. Color do I have her in? I have her in that DR copper glaze. I reviewed that on my channel already. So if I don't forget, I will link that one to this video as well. So I have her in the color DRP Violet Dream. Yeah, she's a dream, honey. All your dreams will come true with this unit here. Yes, I'm here for all of this purple slage. It's not too overwhelming with the purple. It has that light violet in there and all that, and the hues and all that type of stuff. I mean, I just love this color job. It's so bomb. Hence the name, the collection, Color Bomb collection. So let me show you the outside of the stock card first. Let's work on that part. So there's that stock card right there. And that is the inside of that stock card. I'm about to try that one over there. That color is Golden Sun. That's going to be next on my list. And there's the back of the rest of those piano colors they have. Yeah, nice. So you would notice in the styling portion of this video that I went in, I cut the lace and cut kind of sort of like, you may see it, I cut this off with the lace mirror. The mirror don't be giving you a true view of the lace, and it's a lighted mirror, so then there's that. So anyway, so I cut the lace, and what else did I do? I added some waxed it because it got a little bit of some flyaways going on. So I added that, and then I used my hot comb to like, so they wouldn't go nowhere, just to flatten out that part and everything. The parting space is very nice. And so, yeah, so let me give y'all, I'm gonna stand up and give you a 360 of this unit so you can see what's going on in the back, on the sides, and what have you. Hopefully I ain't left nothing out. But this unit is bomb. Please pick her up. Let me know down in the comments, have you got her or anything? This is, yeah, the first one I did some months ago. Yeah, it had to be last year. This is this March. So yeah, it was sometime last year that I did this. Probably like 6 months ago or something like that. So let me stand up and give y'all like a 360 of this unit. This is on the left. And this is her on the, move my chair out the way. Don't want no. Child, I do not know what happened to the rest of that footage. It somehow cut off as I was doing a turn and I didn't even know it. So here's that unit on the left. Here she go on the, hopefully I'm telling you the right side. And there she go in the back. And there she back to the front. Enjoy. See y'all soon. Smooches.
His promises. Oh, in the time of trouble, He will bring me out.